What if I told you that getting started with Arduino projects is just a few clicks away? Today, I'm going to walk you through downloading and installing the Arduino IDE on your Windows PC in 2026. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, open your favorite browser. Now, search for Arduino IDE in the search bar. Click on the first result from the Arduino official site. This will redirect you to the official Arduino software page. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the download section. You'll see a download button right there. Click on it and the installer will start downloading to your computer. Just be patient until the download completes. Once the download is finished, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer to launch the setup installation. First, you'll need to read the license agreement carefully. Once you've done that, click I agree to proceed. Next, you can choose who should use the application. For me, I'll allow anyone to use it, so I'll select that option and click Next. Now, for the installation path, the default location works perfectly fine for me, so I'll keep this as default and click Install. The installation process will begin, as indicated by the progress bar. It will take a little while, so just be patient until the installation completes. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a success message, and the Arduino shortcut icon will be added to your desktop for easy access. If you want to launch the application automatically after installation, make sure this checkbox is ticked and then click Finish. Arduino IDE will launch for the first time with a clean interface. When Arduino opens for the first time, there are some packages that will be installed automatically. Make sure to allow them to install properly. Also, there are drivers that will be installed during this process. Just let them complete. And there you have it! Arduino IDE is now installed on your Windows computer and ready to use.